Okay, so we're gonna to make this flower character and the crying. So let's begin. You put the ellipse, this one, and then you can hide in the corner. Click this one to none, right? And then you put the color. Let's go to the yellow, make it a little bit little. So make again an ellipse in the orange. We're gonna make it, I think this one is very nice. So we're gonna clicking the rotate, and then you click in it on the center. Let's go to the 20, 35. Copy. I think we're gonna go to 30. Copy. Copy. Control T. Let's put at the middle, go to bring to front. Okay, nice. So before that begin, we're gonna make this in here. Go left and then group it this one and put it in the middle. You don't get it in the middle, is you can click align, click in the middle. Nice. So gonna make this a little bit little, and then you go to the pen tool and then you click in it for the body of the leaf of the flower. Put out in the stroke, this one, stroke it, and then you go to color it, this one, into the green. I think a little bit happier, and then you click in it, like go into the little bit abstract, clicking it, and then you put up the right click and then go to center back. I stroke it, this one, more tight, more thick. Cap this one into round in this corner. So group it, this two, group it, and then you click it, and then you try to using the brush. Actually you can try for the leaf, this one. Oops, very bad. I think it is nice. So go to the color and send to back, and then you fix it, the anchor. Actually I think it's nice, and then you edit little bit, edit it for the corner, more like beautiful. think it's cute. And then you click the reflect this one, double click in it, and then click copy. Go to the left, you go through a little, and this little bit wider. It seems like it's alive. So we're gonna ungroup this one, and we're gonna click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, put it on the left, on the right, and at the behind of the ellipse, clicking it and make a little bit darker. Yes, that's it. And then this one too, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and you can click in it and a little bit darker. So nice. Right now you can click in Ctrl C, Ctrl V, go to the left, click this one on the stroke, a little bit darker. Nice. So we're gonna make this color on the braid. The leaf, the body of the leaf is, we're gonna break it. So I'm gonna delete this and then click expand, fill the stroke, make it strike line, effect, distort, zigzag. I'm sorry, we're gonna make this go to stroke, effect, distort, zigzag. Okay, I'm gonna go to size 3 and right per segment in the 9. So nice. Object, expand experience, clicking it, and then you can go to the shape folder and then you can delete it, clicking it. It is in the wider, and then you go ungroup this one, ungroup it, so it's break. And then you can make again Ctrl C, Ctrl V, pull out like there's no happen. So we're gonna make the eyes little bit crying. Go to ellipse, double click, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, go to the black, and this go to the white. We're gonna make this little bit crying. Control C, Control V. Group it. Put on the flower. A little bit wider. Okay, nice. I'm gonna edit it, a little bit edit it. If your design may have some problem, you have to fix it by your own. So we're gonna make this crying a little bit in here. So make a straight line. Go to the stroke, and then you can click effect, distort, zigzag. Make it a little bit like a go to smooth this one. Gonna go to 7. Object, expand appearance. A little bit black. So we're gonna make this a little bit crying. So you can go to the brush and make it like she's a crying. And then you put out the curve line. Go to white. And a little bit not tight. So nice. Go to some kind of little bit shadow in here. So we're gonna to make the cracking it like it's break. Go to the pen tool, make that a little bit triangle. Like this. And then you double click in it, and then you click Ctrl C, Ctrl V at the same time. Make that a little bit darker. So there it is, and then you can group it this one, and then you click in it and go into black, make it a little bit blacker. Don't forget to expand all so you can lightly combine it. Group it, send into the back. We're gonna choosing the orange color, go to the black. So there you go. The flower is, the crying flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a nice day.